go over how you do hotspots, like how do you select and what kind of questions you might see. Let's start. Let's go to preview. Alright. On this one, it says which of a dashed line is an isotope. You have to remember that an isotope is a horizontal line that is closest to the graph. So this is the graph of the exponential right here. Right? So the closest horizontal line would be S or T. The closest one is the one that's really, really near it would be S. Okay. Now here it says which is locate the maximum. The maximum value would be the top of the curve. Wherever the curve is, the middle of it. Maximum value would be the top of the curve. Minimum value would be the bottom of the curve. Alright, out of these, it wants to know which one is the x-intercept. The x-axis is this horizontal line right here labeled by x, so where it crosses it is the minimum value of the quadratic function. Again, minimum value or maximum value is the middle of the curve. Minimum would be the bottom of the curve, so here's the bottom of the curve. Which one shows the y-intercept? Well, we go to the y-axis, which is labeled y, scroll down, and it's where it crosses the y-axis. The graph of the exponential function, again, isotope. Right? So we have this blue line that represents the exponential. The isotope would be the horizontal line, so purple or green, but the one that's closest to it would be purple. Alright, which one is a zero? A zero is a vocabulary word that you need to know. That means x-intercept. So I go to the x-axis, scroll over to where I see it crosses it, select the circle. The quadratic function, it wants to know what the zeros are, so I go to the x-axis because I just told you x-intercept is what zeros represent. So I click the first x-intercept and I keep scrolling over and next x-intercept. This one says which one is the y-intercept, so I go to the y-axis, scroll down, here's my y-axis, and then it says what is the y-intercept. I scroll to the y-axis, scroll down, that's my y-intercept. Alright, let's look and see what other new question types we can see. Okay, in the next video we're going to go over graphing systems with linear inequalities and also hotspots for linear inequalities.